Well, good day, folks. This is your boy Ferris Alone here, and I am coming to you live, bringing you a closer look at the program that's going to grant you. I'm not really going to give you a closer look because this is me talking about the program right now. It's going to get you closer to your dreams and your goals. Selling digital training to people. With this program, it's backed by the same companies that came out with NWC. Infinity Downline and all those other programs like that. And I think this is like really an updated version of those two programs, really, because now you don't have to pay any admin fee unless you choose to. So say if you have a person that comes in, they don't have to no longer have to drop an extra $19 or whatever have you to become part of this program. I have their program hosted or whatever have you. What you see is what you get. You pay your $25 or your $125 to come on board with this, and it's whichever level you choose at, because this is a program that has a $25 level and a $100 level, and you can mark people as paid yourself and keep 100% of the money, or you can switch over and allow the company to do the credit card processing for you, and you get paid a little bit less, but you know, there's less stress and less mess on your end. So basically, when you have somebody sign up, you don't have to be awake. So if you have somebody sign up in a different time zone than you, say if they sign up in somewhere in the Pacific Islands, whatever have you, and they're 17, which is so weird, 17 hours ahead of us, depending on where you're at, 17, 18, 19 hours ahead of us, and you don't have to be up for that. They can just sign up and you'll be right. So one of the things I like about this program is because it's, you know, it gets you closer. It's paid you dollar per dollar. You no longer have to wait to get a fraction of a piece of a commission or whatever, or anything, a sale that you generated before in the past residually, and you don't have to necessarily share that in that wealth. But here's how this works, though. This is a one-up program or a reverse to it, whatever they ever say it. Whenever you pass up 2 of your sales to your qualified, which are your qualifying sales to your upline, which would be me in this case, then you qualify fully and wholly for your the rest of your commissions to you. So your second and your fourth go up, to your upline. You keep your it's the second and fourth. You keep your first and your third. You keep the odd ones. You keep the odd men out. And once you give up your qualifying sales, the rest of your sales that come after that, you no longer have to give up anything. Everybody that you recruit from then on and you refer to this program is now going to be yours 100% of the way. And once they start getting their qualifying sales, those people have to pass up some people to you. And not only those people that you, after that, the people who your first and your third people now have to pass up qualifying sales to you as well. So it goes on and on and on and on, and can, really grow up to be really, really big. And you're not having to give up, or settle for fractions of a dollar of your commissions, because realistically, you think you're putting out the same amount of work for those, programs that are out there that you may love, which is fine. I'm not knocking them, because I have programs that you can look down at my timeline right now, like, well, you had timelines, you had all those programs that you've been a part of. You're trying to say it's not good anymore. I'm not trying to say it's not good. What I am saying is, at some point in time, you're gonna have to, make a decision. I mean, I'm not changing my programs by no means. I love where I'm at. I love my program. I love my travel program, but there's money to be gotten out here, and I'm gonna take full advantage of it while I can. With a program like this, you get $25. If you can do that, um, versus $25 per person or $125 per person. You do those numbers in your head, and that money comes to you. You can build your residual income up really, really quickly. Also, this is a residual monthly payment program as well. So let's just do the math. All right, clear. Now with this, let's say you did refer 7 people. 7 people at $25 equals $175. I mean, and you do that, over and over and over again, you're going to have a lot of people. So you, it's it's a lot less people get paid in this thing. So hypothetically, say, you had a bunch of your people who came in at the $125 level, and you referred 7 of those people to the program. That's $875. And all you did was refer 7 people. Not even have to refer, but get those people either passed up to you or you referred them directly. Which I would rather get it. I'll take it all ways. But it becomes a lot easier, and your goals become a lot more ascertainable when you get dollar per dollar for your sale. So all you have to do in order for you to become part of this program is to fill out this form and sign up and get going. Most people will come in, at the $25 level. That's more realistic because people want to build up and then take your progress, take your progress out of profit, not coming out of pocket. So you're free to do that, or you're free to come in at the $125 level, whichever level you feel comfortable with. We welcome you to this team. So with that being said, this has been your boy Ferris. I want to remind you guys to be blessed on strength. Always be motivated about success. And I will see you guys on the beaches of the world. And not, I hope to see you at the bank catching a big check. Living the best life that you possibly can live. And yeah, peace.